Feeling stuck in your flexibility journey? You've probably heard of progressive overload in strength training, where you gradually increase the weight to build muscle, but did you know this principle applies to flexibility too? Progressive overload in flexibility is all about systematically increasing the intensity, duration, or frequency of your stretches to continually challenge your range of motion. This forces your body to adapt and become more flexible over time. First, let's talk about intensity. This doesn't mean forcing yourself into painful positions. Instead, focus on deepening the stretch within a comfortable range. If you're doing a hamstring stretch, try reaching a little further towards your toes each session, holding the position with controlled breathing. Next is duration. Increase the amount of time you hold each stretch. Start with 30 seconds and gradually increase to 60 or even 90 seconds as you become more flexible. Frequency refers to how often you stretch a particular muscle group. Aim for at least 23 sessions per week. But listen to your body. If you're feeling sore, give yourself a rest day. Important: don't rush the process. Pushing too hard can lead to injuries. Listen to your body and only increase the intensity, duration, or frequency when you feel ready. Maintaining proper form is key to avoid injury. Focus on engaging the correct muscles and avoiding compensation if needed. Work with a qualified instructor. So, incorporate progressive overload into your flexibility routine and watch your range of motion improve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more flexibility tips.